You know me, ladies, I always love to talk about the push and pull. We can do some action toward this man, but we need to spark his interest. Especially when he doesn't want to commit, when he's lost with his feelings, when he doesn't know if he can trust you, and all of the BS that I see every single day as a coach. In this video today, I wanted to add a little bit of different concept to talk about the energetic push and pull. Because you know me, I love to talk as well about the law of attraction. Lately, I've seen that when you have the right mindset, you can be able to get any guy you want, first of all, to feel connected to you, and then of course to commit, to offer you the best relationship possible. So I love to talk about the law of attraction in a way that we change our mindset, we change our habits, we change our behavior, and we attract what we are. So we attract the best relationship. We attract a man that will be grounded, that will know exactly what he has to do in order to please you, but in order also to offer you a great relationship. So everything is a question of energy, mindset, and inner voice. And I want to talk about it because when I have you on my private coaching or group coaching, when I receive your email, when I look at your comments right below, I see sometimes you will come and tell me, Alex, I will never be able to get results. It's not possible. He's too stubborn. I've made so much mistakes. I understand that and I hear you. But I can guarantee you that when we stay in this mindset, the energy that we develop, it's an energy of fear, the energy of not being good enough, lack of self-confidence. Do you really think that we get results this way? The answer is no. So I want to talk to you today about stopping to develop this negative energy. And of course, the worst case in this scenario is that you're telling your subconscious mind, don't do any effort. And so I've seen this since 2007. We are able to change the dynamic. That's why I will always push you with the right mindset. And so the push and pull, it's a very different technique. When I use the push and pull energetic, it's because we want to go even deeper. We want to have the best results ever. And it's connected, it's really linked to the male psychology. So it seems different, it seems unique, it seems counterintuitive, but it's powerful. And that's why, ladies, I want you to click in the description box below to grab a free gift where I explain to you this technique specifically. I want to come back on the energy, okay? There is 6 steps we will do right now. You won't leave this video first without a like and subscribing to the channel, but you won't leave this video without doing 6 actions right now, ladies, okay? Action number 1, we need to set an intention in the universe. Whoa, Alex, that is very spiritual. Yes, it is. But let's set the intention. I will attract this man. He will come back to me. I will show to this stupid guy what he lost. I can find someone. If you're desperate, like love is not for me, we need to change and reverse this intention. Because once we put and set an intention in the universe, it will become our strength. It will become our guidelines. It will become our goal. Step number 2, I will feel that this intention is real. I will feel like this man is coming back to me. I will feel like Beyonce. I will feel like an amazing woman, like a femme fatale, because that's who you are right now. But if you say, oh, I set an intention, you don't feel it, you're not doing the job. I'm sorry to tell you that. It's like, yeah, I'm going to the gym. Oh, it's too difficult. No. When we go do Pilates, gym, we want to give our best. So step number 2, we need to feel it. Step number 3, we need to shine. Let's stop being so sad. Let's stop hiding. No, ladies. It's over. We need to shine. We need to have this great energy, which I call the solar energy. It's you, the solar coming from the sun energy. I love it. Step number 4, I will tell myself, I know that my specific person, so this guy, he's feeling some attraction. I know he's feeling some attraction. I know he finds me beautiful. I know he will see my transformation. I know. It's a matter of fact right now. And I can guarantee you that this energy, you can feel it, right? It's changing the dynamic. Instead of being needy, available, you're using this push and pull energetic to make sure that he sees your value. And this will lead to step number 5. I would use this energetic push and pull for me to shine with everyone. I want to post on social media. I want to talk better to my mom. I want to go out with my girls. I like seeing men paying attention to me. Not in a creepy way, but just people will tell you that you look amazing. People will tell you that they love your dress. People will tell you that they are interested in you. Every time I've used this technique, your friend that are surrounding you, they will come and ask questions. Would you like to go on a date with me? Just because your energy will be completely different. And this will lead to step number 6. We will engage a different situation, different conversation. We will use different words. Our attitude will change. And of course, we will make sure that we are at the same level. We will never put a man on a pedestal anymore. If he doesn't know what are his feelings, let him figure it out by shining, by showing him what he can lose. Because every time we try to negotiate, every time we try to talk, every time we try to make him see what we are seeing, the potential, you know what's going on? The same guy is now pulling away. So ladies, I want you to hit the like button. I want you to subscribe to this channel. And I want you to go in the comments and say, check, done. I have done the 6 steps. I will give it back to you. Number 1, I will set an intention. Number 2, I will feel this intention deep inside me. Number 3, I will shine. I will use my solar energy. Number 4, I need to feel that this person is seeing my changes. This person is seeing my value. Number 5, I will make sure that I use the push and pull with everyone. Everyone sees that I'm shining, I'm amazing, not just a guy, my friends, my family. And number 6, I will make sure that I engage the conversation differently. Not the same words, not the same attitude, not the same vision of, oh, I want him, I need him. That is making you being available, needy. It's not what men want. So if you want to go further, look in the description box because I have attached some gifts on male psychology. I created some videos, the long videos, they are very long, they are private, but you can have access for free. And in this video, I will explain to you what men want, how to be a natural challenge, how to use your potential, how to not be someone else, but be sexy in a way that, hey, men will find you very valuable without changing who you are. If you want to go also further, in the description box, you have the link for the private coaching. We can have a chat, you and me, to save your relationship, to help you get him commit, and to just help you find real love. That's where I specialize. So ladies, it's you and me right now, and I will see you very soon for a new video.